Dear 526 subscribers, thank you for subscribing to this channel. In this video, I want to get a little personal. So for those of you that don't know me, which is pretty much most of you, I haven't done a video like this ever. My name is Andy and I live in Florida. I have 3 kids and a wife. Why am I telling you all this? Well, in this video, I want to talk about rebranding of this channel. Currently, the channel is HRT tele, which is how-tos, reviews, tutorials, television is what I originally made it to be with my intent back in when I first started in 2013. But now it will be rebranded to Daddicated. Why am I doing this? So I've always enjoyed messing around with cameras and making videos, and I actually started messing with YouTube and uploading stuff since 2007. It was nothing serious, it was just videos of friends or stuff we made together, a few videos here and there, and I did a couple of videos in 2008, 2009, 2010, and it wasn't until 2013 was when I started this channel. But being an introvert and kind of shy, I never wanted to be seen or heard in the camera. If you see my early videos, you can barely hear me. That's because, first of all, at that time I had only one child, and she would be sleeping, so I was trying to be quiet, plus I was shy. I still am. Anyways, in 2013, I decided to start this channel, and around that time, after doing a couple of videos in the beginning of 14, I bought a 3D printer by XYZ Printing and started doing reviews and printing trials. And being that the fact that 3D printing was a new thing and that printer was the most affordable 3D printer at that time that produced very good quality, my videos took off. The first couple months I produced about 23 videos, and that helped the growth, the first growth of the channel. And then in July, this was around May, in July we moved to be closer with our family. My wife was pregnant with our second child, and I kind of stopped. In 2015 I did a few more videos. Some were in 3D printing, some was just some reviews. Then again I stopped in 2016. I think I have a couple of videos, but these past couple months I've been producing content more on a weekly basis. I did some of my car repairs that I recorded a while ago, and I just wanted to put them out. So now I'm wanting to rebrand this channel and take a more serious approach in trying to grow this channel further and see where it goes. And part of that is this rebranding to something that's simpler, that's relevant and personal to me, the term Daddicated. So you'll see, if not, you already might have seen the logo change and all the rebranding that will happen in the next couple days. The reason why I'm doing Daddicated is because that's just where I'm at right now. I'm a father of 3 and a husband, and my goal is to be dedicated to my family. Now, as far as the content will still be somewhat similar. I'll still be doing how-to videos on things around the house, projects I'm working on, whether it's my car or making something for the kids. One of upcoming videos is going to be a bench that I made out of milk storage cartons for my daughter's school. She's in 1st grade. So stuff like that you will still see, and I do want to tailor it more family friendly for fathers. I still want to do reviews of gadgets for dads or camera gadgets. At the same time, gadgets for the family, like baby stuff, high chair or whatnot. Different DIY projects that I enjoy doing. I love to build and make stuff, therefore I like to document the process, and if I can bring value to you guys, I definitely do that as well. In addition, hopefully I can do a couple videos about 3D printing again, since I know most of my subscribers came kind of from that area. I haven't used my printer in probably over 2 years now. I've just been busy So as you can tell, I don't like to be in front of the camera. I'm an introvert. I like to be behind the scenes, doing the editing, the shooting, but I decided for this transition, I'll come out and introduce myself. My goal is to try produce one video a week, and hopefully I'll get better at it to where I can do 2 videos a week. Let me know what you think of the new brand. Feel free to leave a comment under any of the videos, including this one. I love reading your guys' comments and I try to respond. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, hit that like button, hit the bell button, hit all the buttons. I don't care. I'm just kidding. But yeah, and I'll see you guys soon. And there's my child crying. Should stop.